Kanegagh Chaman. Mushrooms and Indian cheese. A main dish from India. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Wash mushrooms and dry them. Step 2. Cut paneer in cube. Fry until golden, and set aside. Step 3. Fry mushrooms 1 minute. Step 4. Add masala, asafetida and salt, and fry half a minute. Step 5. Add the paneer. Step 6. Add water and boil. Lower heat, cover and simmer until juices are nearly dry. Step 7. Serve with rice and mango chutney. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.